morning. So isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. So it's gonna be almost 3 weeks natin walang biyahe. So tuyong-tuyo na. But now we're back to the sea. We're back to the ocean. So we have may dive kami ngayon. We do have like tatlong tri-scuba mga beginners at saka tatlong fun dive, which is okay na din, may kita na for this day. Alright, sige, let's go. Samahan niyo kami na naman sa adventure namin sa pagdadive, pagsisid sa lalim ng dagat. Let's go!
Ay, nako. Akala ko diretso-diretso na binigyan pa tayo ng trabaho ng kapitan natin, no?
Oh, sige.
Aroy!
Ingat ka pa na.
Sige na lang, no choice. Captain, shoutout sa kapitan namin, Domingo.
Na,
Sige.
ikaw yap.
1, 2, 3.
At yun, umanda na nga, isang higa lang. Thank you, Lord. Let's go. Tatakbo na tayo. Let's go! May mga request yung guest natin, matik yan, level yan, oh, diba? Mga cook natin dyan, oh. Ngiti-ngiti lang yan, pero pagod na yan. Yan, prepared yan sa mga handa. For lunch yan, oh. Chicken curry.
Bebe. Mosay
Oh,
soldi ni mo
sa
rong
gusto rin na mong alawa.
Bebe.
At syempre, before tayo mag-start sa dive natin, syempre, tuturuan mo natin yung guest natin paano mag-assemble ng gear. Shout out sa mga instructors dyan na nagtuturo. Napapagod na magturo araw-araw, paulit-ulit na ginagawa. Shout out sa inyo mga instructors.
Alright, bali late na kami konti sa dive site. So gawin natin ng mabilisang transition effect na mabilisang bihis. Alright. Let's go! Woo! Okay, so you just have to practice first. And then after all the skills, then we're going to go back to the boat. And then we do our surface interval for 1 hour. Stay on the boat for 1 hour after our first dive. And then in our second dive, we're not going to dive because we're going to do 2 dives only. So in their second dive, we're not going to dive.
Video.
Yeah, you can just swim, but no, we are diving.
Uy!
So in their last dive, we're going to Nidong lang ha.
Okay.
So it's just gonna be close to you. So
sorry.
if you have problem, just stop me or something.
Okay.
It's very close.
Okay.
Okay, if it's far, then use like
It's okay. Just let her go.
just pray. I'm dying.
Just let her go.
Okay.
Okay.
So actually, we're going to do it in a very shallow. So if there's a problem, you can stand.
Okay.
So no need to worry. Okay, so everything we need to do the skills, everything first here in very shallow. So after the skills, then we're gonna go a little bit deeper. We try to go 5 meters. Okay, then try to practice our buoyancy swimming around. Okay, swimming.
It's okay. She have already.
Yoyong. You can.
At syempre, hindi mawawala yung pabida-bida natin sa mga guest natin, oh. Baka bubble ring yan. The best part of the program. Kaon. Kub. Uy, kaon na. Uy, kain na, kain. Kaon na. Kub na, oh.
Kaya nga supo siya.
Ikaw.
Oh, doon ka na lang magsandok ng kanin. Saan ba ito kandan?
Kukob. Kaon.
How's the food?
Very good. 凉拌黄瓜加黑胡椒。
Di, kayo mag-vlog ko.
Oh, bunikot. Bunikot to naguwan. Oh. Sa may kasulti nimo sa panahon. So may kasulti nimo sa panahon. So may maayo ning kuan, maayo nga hangin-hangin or di. Uwan-uwan pero lantap sa maayo paghangin or paghangin nga bawd or uwan nga lantap. Uwan nga lantap. Ano man? Kalman dagat. Updated. Updated sa weather forecast.
Siyempre, while surface interval, bigyan muna natin ng mga joke time yung mga guests pero hindi naman bored while doing the ASI, di ba? Di, banatan mo na, fire!
No.
Because in Philippines we do different way.
You cook.
No.
Eat.
No, you're saying like this. Rip like that, right?
This one cannot eat.
No, we rip it. Because in Philippines different.
我不知道他想说什么。
Ilabog ang unod.
他说菲律宾，
Like this.
我知道，我的意思是没什么好吃的。真的假的？
At ito, pauwi na po kami sa isla ng Coron. Medyo cloudy siya pero okay naman yung dagat which is safe din sa amin. And that's all for today and thank you very much and God bless everyone. And thank you for watching.